Trading with Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies, it increases unstoppably, and in turn, the places where you can make exchanges with the new cryptocurrency, the exchanges. And there are the three basic ways to hold of cryptocurrencies: buying one of the existing exchanges, receiving Bitcoins or other cryptocurrencies as payment for a job, or mining. And any of these formulas will provide us with real currencies, with which to exchange product or services in the network. So outside the network, cryptocurrency still does not have much acceptance. But little by little, the fact is that we want to benefit from the rise and fall of a cryptocurrency. But we do not have to go to the usual. The exchanges, we can speculate with them through CFDs. Speculations with cryptocurrencies, to some extent, can be dangerous due to the volatility of these markets. So to make trading with Bitcoin, you have to be an experienced trader. However, to invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin, to name some of the most popular cryptocurrencies, it is not necessary to have a great stock market knowledge, but we must acquire currencies in some of the most important exchanges. So what are cryptocurrencies exchanges? The exchanges are exchange houses where we can buy cryptocurrencies, and most of the exchanges admit euros or dollars to buy, but in some of them, they only admit the payment with Bitcoins. In that case, it is necessary to have acquired the Bitcoin in another exchange, or have obtained them through an exchange, or by the most difficult method, mining Bitcoins. And all exchange houses that accept payment by legal tender operate with the procedures that identify customers. Know your customer, KYC, right? KYC stands for Know Your Customer. And this process of identification is necessary and mandatory. So to open an account in any of the exchange and aim to prevent money laundering, the process of opening an account is quite similar to what we must do to open a bank account. Because of the experiences that are read through the network, the mechanism for small accounts is quick and simple. But when you want to move large volumes of capital, the processes are longer and can be quite annoying. Now, the main exchanges to operate with cryptocurrencies. So the investment in cryptocurrencies increasingly attracts more and more people. It is possible that Bitcoin is just a bubble in a bubble mode, but who knows? What is the roof of Bitcoin and the rest of cryptocurrencies? Many investors prefer not to wonder if the Bitcoin is expensive or cheap. They simply think that it can continue to rise much more. But to invest in cryptocurrencies, it is necessary to do so through some of the multiple exchanges. And these are the most prestigious and that highest level of security offer, Coinbase. Coinbase is available in more than 30 countries. It is considered the largest Bitcoin broker in the world, and it is possible to connect a bank account to the platform and being able to make CEPA transfers to buy Bitcoins. Its main advantages? Well, the platform has great liquidity, and it is easy to register, and you can buy Bitcoins quickly with a credit card. In addition to buying Bitcoins from the platform itself, we can quickly participate in the Coinbase exchange section, in which bids are made between users of the platform. Then Bittrex. Bittrex is a platform that allows you to buy and trade with more than 100 tokens with our cryptocurrencies. And it seems that it is one of the safest platforms, at least that way they sell their advertising, since Bill Sciarra, who is the co-founder of Bittrex, has worked for many years as a security engineer for Amazon and BlackBerry. And security reaches such a point that if you change your password, you cannot make any withdrawal in the next 24 hours. And although security is the highest priority, and we could understand that the navigation within the page was heavy, it seemed that it is the opposite. It is quite easy to move around the page and access all the options. It is an exchange that has been operating in the US since 2014. It operates in cryptocurrency, forex, indexes, shares, and even premiums. But now, brokers regulated in the UE by the Central Bank of Ireland, bonds of up to 15,000 euros with a leverage of 1 to 400 and a minimum deposit of 100 euros, well, you just have to go to the broker, hit BTC, It is a platform that began operating in 2013. Although it is a small exchange, nothing to do with Coinbase or Bitstamp, which are the largest platform, but like most, after some news after the thief of cryptocurrencies, they pay special attention to everything that has to do with security. So it is a very friendly, intuitive platform, and with which it is easy to carry out operations. Although located in Hong Kong, it is a platform that performs the most exchanges of Bitcoin nominated in dollars. In the world, not only can we buy and sell Bitcoins, but Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies, it is also possible to trade its platform. It can be negotiated with leverages of 3.3 times and use a margin market to operate. But in this platform, we can make exchanges between users, buy and sell, or go to a step further, making trading with cryptocurrency. Then there's Cryptopia, which was born as a place for cryptocurrency miners, where to exchange and sell, and all in the same place. But the exchange has evolved, and you can exchange cryptocurrencies, which are not easy to find elsewhere. But according to what I have been able to verify, it is a platform very easy to use for beginners. Through the platform, you can sell anything to anyone in the world using cryptocurrencies. And it is currently located in Luxembourg, although it has passed through Slovenia and the UK, but it has very good consideration from the users, since it has the backing of the investment from Pondera Capital. In addition, for all exchanges it complies with the KYC protocol, so that the operations are not anonymous, avoiding any type of money laundering. Then WebKraken. This is a site that has been established as the platform with the highest volume of exchange of Bitcoins, nominated in euros, and it is a company that operates since 2011 from its American headquarters in San Francisco, California. But until very recently, its orientation was to the European market. But this current is changing, and it is becoming a global operator. It has done very little and has signed an agreement with Markets.com, with which it will be your liquidity provider to operate with CFDs on the cryptocurrency offered by the broker.